Good morning, friends. You can see here Drake equations given here. In 1961, a astronomer named Frank Drake described a equation known as Drake equations. This equation drives the number of alien civilizations in our galaxies with whom we might be able to communicate. Its term correspond to values such as the fraction of stars with planets, the fraction of planets on which life could be emerged, the fraction of planets that can support intelligent life, and so on. Using these conservative equations, that means estimations, putting some values. So equation is here, you'll see here n equals to r times f sub s times n sub p times f sub p times f sub l times f sub I times f sub c times l. This is Drake equation derived by Frank Drake in 1961. So what is value? N shows number of civilizations in the Milky Way. This value shows this. And R shows the rate of star formation. R shows the rate of star formations. N shows number of civilizations whose we communicates we would possible detected within the Milky Way, or other words you can say that it is the number of alien civilization in the Milky Way. This shows. And R shows rate of formations. That means astrophysicists have determined that in the Milky Way about 3 solar masses form into stars every year. A solar mass is equals to sun mass, and we put 3 value of 3 because 3 stars are made every year as like same sun. So we remove r and put here 3. F sub s is known as fraction of stars that have planetary system. F is denote here. N sub e denote number of planets around these stars within an ecoshell. F sub p denote fraction of star with habitable planet with life. And F L shows fraction of those planet where life develops. And Fi you can see here, Fi fraction of living species that develop intelligence. Fc fraction of intelligent species with communications technology. And L shows lifetime of the communicative phase. So here you know all notations. These equations give minimum result as like 20s. That means this figure 20, that means if you solve putting all values then find out result 20, and this figure 20 shows 20 intelligent alien civilizations in the Milky Way that we can contact and who can contact us, but there are not any. There should be evidence for aliens life. There is a generally referred as to the Fermi paradox after the physicist Enrico Fermi, who first examined these contradictions between high probability of alien civilizations and their apparent absence. So there is the first equation of Drake equation, and other you having like this. This is 8 values, and here you can see this is 7. N equals to n sub s times f sub p times f sub l times f sub I times lc divided by ls. So this is different from this equation, but also this is Drake equations. So what is these notations you can see here. N equals to number of civilization in the Milky Way. NS shows the number of stars in the Milky Way. FP fraction of star with habitable planet. FL fraction of habitable planet with life. And FI shows fraction of life bearing planet where intelligent civilization arises. LC shows typical lifetime of a civilization in years. And LS shows typical lifetime of a star. So this is all about Drake equation, and these Drake equations to shows that aliens, this is proof that aliens, how can they communicate with us and where these live. So this is all about Drake equation. So thank you.